Okay, what's up, everyone? So we will have a Christmas card making today by using Microsoft Word. Okay, as you can see here, let's open Microsoft Word. Okay, you have to open your Microsoft Word and go for blank document. Okay, or make a new. Okay, and then after that, now we have a new document. Okay, and then we will go to page layout. If you remember the page layout, right? Okay, click the page layout button and you can see the margin, orientation, columns. Okay, and we will choose first the margin, and then let's have to choose narrow. Okay, 0.5 so that we may have a lot of space. Okay, now we choose the narrow and then go to orientation and choose landscape. Okay, always remember, in margin you have to choose narrow, in orientation you have to choose landscape, and then after in columns you have to choose two. Okay, this one, two. Okay, now we have this page. Okay, landscape with two column and with margin, and then we will make a background design for our um, blank document. Okay, so let's go to design tab. Okay, let's go to design tab and look for the page color and page border. Okay, first of all we have to choose page color. When we click the page color, and you have to choose your color that you want to make it more design like this. So you can see there's a lot of colors. Okay, so I will choose, for me I will choose green because I love green. Okay, I really love green. Okay, so I will choose green. Okay, light green. Oh, okay, light green. Okay, and then after that we have to go to page border. Sorry, page border, and we have to choose our own color first. In color, we have to choose color red. Okay, this one, color red. Now I choose the color red, and then we have to choose in width. Okay, I think I have to choose this kind of width, like 2 and 1/4. Okay, anything that you want. So for me, it's might better to have a 2.1 1/4 point, and then have to choose a style here. So you can choose your own style. So I choose this one. Okay, it depends on you guys. Okay, if you want this design, you have to choose this. Okay, okay, but for me I will have to choose this. Okay, for my design. So I have color red, I have 3-point width, and I choose the style, and then you have to click OK. As you can see, there is a page border color red, and there is a page color. Okay, and after that, when we do this kind of page color and page border, we will go to home tab. Okay, choose home tab, and we need to write the word Merry Christmas. Okay, Merry Christmas. Okay, and we will make it bigger. Okay, choose font size, and you have to choose like 36. And I think to become more meaningful, click the bold letter B, and then click, you can choose your color. So for me, I need to choose color red. Okay, because it's Christmas. And then align the text into the center. Okay, so that is center. And then after that, I think I have to look for a good font. Okay, so I think I have to choose this one. Oh, so bad. Okay, so I think this one. Okay, Merry Christmas. So go to the center. So Okay, and then after that click enter, and then you have to go to insert and then go to the picture tab to look for that picture. Okay, so all you have to do is to open your browser. If you have Mozilla Firefox, open it. If you have Google Chrome, open it. So for me, I need to open Google Chrome. Okay, Google. So I have to search, for example, Christmas tree, or if you want Santa, you can click Santa. Okay, Christmas tree. So you have to look for a picture that's really good for you. So click for the image, okay, so that you can see a good Christmas tree, okay, for your Christmas card. Okay, for me, I think I need to choose this one. Okay, I think I need to choose this one with the gifts. Okay, save image, and always save the image to the desktop. Okay, desktop, so that it's easy to find the the image or the picture that you want. Okay, and then after that, okay, let's go minimize the browser and go and proceed to Microsoft Word. Okay, then after Microsoft Word, okay, you have to go to picture tab again and find the image that you download. So this is one. Okay, I click it and go to insert, and you can see it's become, you go to the other side. So I think we have to, yeah, make it small so that it will become fit to the left side. Okay, so that is my Christmas card. So I need to have a text here, okay, at the right side. So I need to go to enter. Okay, so now I'm here right now. Enter again. Okay, may your holiday, may your holiday may your holiday become joyous. No, I think we will make another sentence. Okay. Okay. Merry Christmas. Merry. Oh, I think this one. Happy holiday to you and to your family. Okay. And then we'll put my name, T-Rex. Okay. Or if your name is on, put your name on. Okay. So T-Rex. So I put my name T-Rex. Okay. So here you have to put your you have to put your name here, not T-Rex. Okay. Always remember that. So this is my simple and simple Christmas card. Okay. And then you can also have design here, or any picture here if you want. So it depends on you. So for me, this is really simple and this is really good. So I hope you like my tutorial and you will do it right now. Thank you.